Good morning, friends. Again, you are welcome in chemistry online classes. Here, Lomesh Sharma. Last video, before I taught you, I would like to tell you three more methods of preparation of haloalkanes. And here, that is a halogen exchange method. Okay, in this reaction, alkyl halides are prepared from alkyl halides itself. Okay, that line is important. Alkyl halides are prepared in this reaction. Alkyl halides are prepared from alkyl halides itself. Okay, if you have already RCl or RBr, okay, if you have already RCl and RBr, and now you can convert into these RCl and RBr into RF and RI. RF and RI. If you have already RCl and RBr, you can convert it into RF and RI. That is halogen exchange method. And this halogen exchange method is explained by two name reactions. First one is known as Flinkenstein reaction. That is a name reaction, Flinkenstein reaction. Okay, that is a name reaction. Okay, what is this? If you have RCl and RBr, when any RCl and RBr react with NaI, sodium iodide, in the presence of acetone, it gives Ri, alkyl iodide, and NaCl or NaBr are removed. Again, if you have RCl and RBr, both are react with NaI. In the presence of acetone, they form alkyl iodide. Okay, so in both reactions, RCl and RCl and RBr react with sodium iodide. This reagent is important, sodium iodide, in Flinkenstein reaction, which one converted into alkyl iodide. Clear? Its next part is known as Schwarz reaction. That is a Schwarz reaction. In this reaction, alkyl iodide or alkyl alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide are converted into RF. Okay, that means alkyl fluoride or alkyl iodide is reacted with AgF. Here AgF is metallic fluoride. Okay, silver is metal and metallic fluoride. You can also use COF2 carbonyl fluoride. You can also use Hg2Cl2 mercury fluoride. So AgF, COF2, Hg2F2, these are metallic fluorides, and when Ri react with metallic fluorides, it converted into RF. Okay, so that reaction is known as Schwarz reaction. So in Flinkenstein reaction, there is a formation of iodide. In Schwarz reaction, there is a formation of RF. These two name reactions are considered as halogen exchange method. Next one is again name reaction, which one is known as Hunsdiecker reaction. That is a name reaction, Hunsdiecker reaction. Yes, what about Hunsdiecker reaction? When silver salt of monocarboxylic acid, what do you mean by monocarboxylic acid? Okay, CH3 COOH, that is a carbo acetic acid. CH3 COOH is acetic acid. Okay, so when acetic, now monocarboxylic acid, that means this R group is monocarboxylic acid alkyl group, and COO group is mono, in which only one COO group is there, that is known as monocarboxylic acid, and react with Br2 in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. React with Br2 in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. So RCOOH reacts with Br2 in the presence of CCl4. It converted into RBr. Okay, that reaction is also known as decarboxylation reaction. See here, that reaction is known as decarboxylation reaction. DE means delete or remove carboxylic group. This COO group is removed as the CO2 form, and this R group react with Br to convert into RBr. Again, that is a monocarboxylic acid of silver salt. Br2 react carbon tetrachloride in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. That R is react with Br to convert into RBr. That CO group is converted into CO2 group. इसको बोलते हैं decarboxylation reaction, and that one is also known as Hunsdiecker reaction. That is a preparation of RBr. Okay, here Br is compulsory. Next is from primary amines. You know what are amines? NH2 group is known as amines. Okay, if primary amines, that means R, NH2, that is primary amine. That means nitrogen is attached with only one R, that is primary amine. If nitrogen is attached with two R and R, that is secondary amine. If nitrogen attached with 3R, that is tertiary amine. So if nitrogen attached with 3R, that hydrogen is not present. So that one is primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Here primary amine is there, RNH2. RNH2 react with very important chemical reagent, which one is known as nitrosyl chloride, and another famous name is Tildane reagent. Tildane reagent. Chemical name is nitrosyl chloride, and its formula is NOCl. But here it is represent as a ClNO. Okay, RCl, it form RCl, it form N2 gas, it form water. So when primary amine react with nitrosyl chloride, it gives alkyl chloride RCl. Nitrogen gas and water is removed. That one is plus. Nitrogen gas and water is removed. So that are the preparation methods of alkyl halides. Okay. Now our next topic is physical properties. What are the physical properties of alkyl halide? First one is all alkyl halides are colorless. That one is first physical property. All alkyls are colorless in pure form, but in the presence of light they are converted into yellow form. That is first physical property. Second physical property, alkyl halides are insoluble in water. That is important. Insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol, ether and benzene. Okay, you know very well that alkyl halides are polar in nature. Okay, alkyl halides are organic compound. So when organic compounds are always dissolved in organic solvents, just like alcohol, ether and benzene, and insoluble in water. Third physical property, CH3Cl, CH3Br and C2Cl are gaseous state, whereas CH3I and other alkyl halides are in liquid or solid form. Next is alkyl halides burn with green yellow flame. Green yellow flame, that means they show flame test, which you are confirmed in your chemistry lab. Flame test. Next physical property, that physical property is important, which one is related to their boiling point. Okay, alkyl halides are polar in nature, hence their boiling points are more than corresponding hydrocarbons. Boiling points increases with increase in molecular mass. That is important. Okay, as the molecular mass increases, the boiling points of the alkyl halides are also increases. CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br and CH3I. In all of the CH3 group is same, but fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine is change. And when we goes to left to right, the molecular masses of these halogens are increases. The boiling point is also increases. Okay. Next example of its CH3Cl. Thus, in isomeric alkyl halide, the boiling point of branched alkyl halide is less than the unbranched alkyl halide. These all are the isomers. Okay, tertiary butyl halide chloride, isobutyl chloride and N-butyl chloride. These are the isomers in which the molecular mass is equal. There is no any difference in molecular mass, but on branching on branching the boiling point is decreases. Okay, the first one is maximum branching, second one is low branching, there is no branching, straight chain. Okay, so the boiling point of the boiling point of the alkyl halides are decreases on branching. Okay, but here CH3FCl molecular mass increases, so the boiling point is also increases. Clear? Now our next one is in the presence of sunlight. Okay, Ri gives iodine gas. Violet color iodine gas are given by Ri. In the presence of sunlight, if we burn alkyl iodides, they form iodine gas which have purple color. These are the physical properties of haloalkanes.